Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock WhatsApp application. If you want to keep your WhatsApp chats private, then you can always lock your WhatsApp application with your fingerprint or Face ID so no one can access it without your permission. First of all, open up WhatsApp application on your device. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the Settings button at the bottom right corner. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Now, scroll down from the Privacy section and tap on App Lock. Toggle on the button right next to Require Face ID or Biometrics, and then choose when to auto-lock WhatsApp. You can choose from immediately, after 1 minute, 15 minutes, or 1 hour. After choosing, go back, and now your WhatsApp is protected with your fingerprint or Face ID. Adding a lock to WhatsApp is a simple yet powerful way to keep your private messages secure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.